are a few bright active regions, but they are not producing solar flares. In fact, the large grouping on the south continues its spread, separation, and a bit of decay as its X-ray production drops as well. Solar wind falling out too, streams stabilizing, and KP index is flatlining, green at the bottom. Actually to the point where we might have a cosmic ray health alert later today. Eyes on the app. Something to watch for in the coming months in the space science realm. The next Dark Energy Survey release is being put to use. They still haven't found dark energy or have any clue what it is, but they sure produce some pretty animations, don't they? In case you were wondering, this is our visibility field from Earth, in the center, showing how far we can see out in various directions and where we can't see. In a C+ electroquake paper, we get a minor confirmation of the negative anomaly phenomena before earthquakes. However, it seems this author missed the many recent papers on solar triggering of these seismic events and their pre-quake anomalies, and decides to exclude any potential event where the sun may have triggered it. He's only at 10% efficiency. Now, while that is enough to statistically make a paper, models using the sun are already pushing over 90 at the highest magnitude. Let's go out to Pluto. We already know that the 2019 detection showed that it's had its collapse, a major reduction of its atmosphere. This vaulted Pluto into the top changing planet spot in the system, and today we find out it was a more rapid and drastic event than we thought. We knew the previous detection had been in 2016 and its atmosphere was still growing, so a 20% loss in the atmosphere in 2019 was a big deal for 3 years. Now make it 3 times more dramatic. Folks, the 2018 data is finally coming out and showing that just the year before the collapse, it was still growing. Measuring column densities in the atmosphere takes a lot longer, which is why we're just getting this information now, but they have shown that Pluto was still gaining atmosphere pretty much right up until the major event itself. This dramatically cuts down the explanations other than a magnetic collapse at Pluto, as we see unfolding on the other planets, and that includes Mars. Folks, it was December 2019 when we learned of a surprising surge in Mars quakes. This is where the planetary electromagnetism and seismicity connection are good for more than just predicting single events. If the field is changing at Mars, its recent temperature fluctuations make more sense, and so do the changes in quakes. Those Mars quakes were increasing in power and frequency, and the scientists didn't know why. And well, they still don't, but they know that the patterns are still changing. We continue to see a changing seismic face of Mars with new frequencies and continued lack of stability. In the Cosmic Disaster playlist on our channel, we detail all the planetary changes, and they are also part of